Replacement kit for versatile use. MagicPlates work with any device and can be used as replacement plates for a strong secure grip. Multiple mounting options. Easily attach MagicPlate magnet directly to a device or behind a rugged phone case. Compatible with MagicMount. The MagicPlates can easily be used with all MagicMount cell phone holders. Protective film. Easy mounting and removal of the metal plates without damaging your phone. Included in package. Large MagicPlate with adhesive, small MagicPlates with adhesive, mounting templates and surface cleaning swabs, 3-year warranty. The MagicMount replacement kit is designed to be used as replacements or additional plates for smartphone and other phone holders. The compatible MagicPlates are great for use with MagicMount car cell phone holders and MagicMount Pro systems. The MagicPlates easily installed directly to your device, on a rugged case or behind the battery cover. The large mount plates are designed for larger devices and ensure a secure hold with a holder, while the small thin plates are perfect for small devices and tight spaces. Top reviews from the United States. Does what it says. Works well enough through my case. I use slim cases, so I don't know if a fat boy would work or not.